Severe storms continue to roll through the region, and that is bringing heavy rainfall and has led to numerous reports of flash flooding. So let me focus you in on the Southern Valley. That's where we have severe thunderstorm warnings in effect stretching from McMinn to Monroe counties. And this line could produce wind gusts of 60 miles per hour and easily knock down trees and result in power outages. Of course, there is downpours associated with it, and it's resulting in a lot of heavy rain. So a brand new flash flood warning was just issued. It includes more of Monroe County, stretching from Sweetwater High School through Madisonville and over towards the North Carolina border. But notice we're in flash flood warning stretching from downtown Knoxville through Loudoun County and now down into Monroe County. Significant flooding is possible and already had reports of it. But from the last 3 hours, 2 to 4 inches of rain has fallen, especially stretching from Loudoun County down into the northern portion of Monroe County. So especially in the area of Greenback, likely significant flooding. Of course, if you see a flooded roadway anywhere around the region, you need to turn around. Don't drown. As we go northward from Knoxville, now we can see some downpours in Sevier County, so stretching from Kodak to Sevierville. There's still dumping rainfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour, and it can result in flooding. It's a little bit easier for flash flooding to occur because of the soggy days that we have had, not just over the course of this past week, but over the last week and a half or so. Some areas have picked up over 4 inches of rain. Now, Jefferson City dealing with downpours, and still, as this line continues to push off to the east, there is that potential for wind gusts of 60 miles per hour, which can result in damage. I do think there is an elevated flooding concern, even though maybe the colors aren't as bright off to the north. And over closer towards the Tri-Cities, that's an area that picked up those storms this morning. A lot of heavy rain has already fallen today, so it may be a little bit easier for flooding to occur, say from Morristown through Greene County, Cott County, and even portions of Hawkins County. So we'll be watching up here closely as well. Let's go back out to the plateau. We're still seeing moderate rainfall. Now, we're not seeing those strong to severe storms, but of course, rain totals continue to add up, even though it may not be as heavy as what it once was. So over the course of these next 2 hours, notice this line that pushes through, it's out of here. By the time we get towards 7:30, 8 o'clock, it's further south of our area, heading closer towards Chattanooga, and now starting to cross the North Carolina line and weakening. But notice there's still rain around, especially east of I-75 over the next few hours. So anywhere that is flooded, that water is going to stick around for a while. Notice it's the calm after the storm in Crossville, though. The sun is starting to set, and you can actually see it a little bit quieter right now in portions of Cumberland County. So we still have the severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect. That's the orange shading, the yellow polygons. Those are the severe thunderstorm warnings. But notice Fentress County already dropped from that severe thunderstorm watch. So we'll start to see the counties get chipped away over the next few hours, but we continue to keep a close eye on more storms that have developed well off to our northwest that could try to move in overnight and into the first part of tomorrow. Flood watch remains in effect through the early morning hours of Wednesday. It's the flash flood warnings from Knoxville down to Madisonville that are the utmost concern, especially through Loudoun County and in portions of Monroe County as well. We will continue to see this batch push through, but again, watching those storms well off to the northwest that may try to move back into the area heading into the first part of tomorrow. So we will keep scattered storm chances around, especially during the first half of the day tomorrow, with a couple of storms possible during the afternoon. And once we get to Thursday, it's a lot quieter, but it is hot and humid. Feels like temperatures close to 105 degrees.